Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, so we have two objects and what we want to do is clip the pattern inside the circle. What's important here is that the object you want to clip into needs to be on top. In this case, the circle is actually below the pattern, so it's not going to work. So how do you fix that? Well, select the circle, right-click on it, go to Arrange, and choose Bring to Front. Now the next step is actually clipping the pattern inside the circle. Select both objects. In the top menu, go to Objects, then click on the down arrow to scroll down. Now click on Clipping Mask and then Make. As you can see, the color of the circle has vanished, like completely vanished, but the pattern didn't fully overlap it. So go to Layers, expand Layer 1, then the Clip group. Here you will see the circle and the pattern inside. If you click on the blue point to select only the pattern, you can resize it, move it around, and adjust it however you like. And that's basically how it works. Now, if you want to add another object to the clip group, you can do that as well. For example, let's place a rectangle right here. Now go to Properties and change its color so we can differentiate it. Then go back to Layers, select the new shape layer, and move that layer inside the clip group. And that's it. This is how to make a clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.